Hello everyone, welcome again. In this video we're going to find the values of x. So the hint we are going to use here, logs base 6 of 1 is the same as 0. So from our equation where there is 0, we are going to replace it with log 6 of 1. So the equation is going to become log 6 of x squared minus 23 is equal to log 6 of 1. And that was the trick we're supposed to use in this video. So next we are going to equate x squared minus 23 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. So from there we are going to collect like terms. So x squared is equal to 24. So we can bring 24 to the left hand side. So x squared minus 24 is equal to 0. So you realize x squared minus 24 can become perfect square. So we can make this a perfect square. So it's going to become x squared minus square root of 24 squared is equal to 0. So our expression is now a difference of two squares. So where there is a, we shall put x squared, and where there is b, where there is a, we shall put x, and where there is b, we shall put root of 24. So we are going to substitute this into this. So x squared minus square root of 24 squared is the same as x plus square root of 24 times x plus minus square root of 24, and this is equal to 0. So x plus root of 24 times x minus root of 24 is equal to 0. So either x plus root of 24 is equal to 0, or x minus root of 24 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to negative root of 24, or x is equal to root of 24. So we can simplify root of 24 is the same as 4 times root of 4 times 6. So x is equal to negative root of 4 times 6, or x is equal to root of 4 times 6. So x is equal to negative 2 root of 6, or x is equal to 2 root of 6. So therefore x is equal to negative 2 root of 6 and 2 root of 6. Or alternatively, someone could have said x squared minus 24 is equal to 0, and x squared is equal to 24. That means x is equal to plus or minus square root of 24. So x is equal to plus or minus 2 root of 6. So the next step, we are going to verify our answers. So first one, x is equal to negative 2 root of 6. So from our equation, we had log 6 of negative 2 root of 6 squared minus 23 should be equal to 0. So here this becomes log 6 of negative 2 root of 6 squared is the same as 24 minus 23 should be equal to 0. So this becomes log 6 of 1 should be equal to 0, and log 6 of 1 is equal to 0, so 0 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to negative 2 root of 6 is correct. Then our second value, we had x is equal to 2 root of 6. So from the question we have log 6 of 2 root of 6 squared minus 23 should be equal to 0. So this is the same as log 6 of 24 minus 23 should be equal to 0. And this is the same as log 6 of 1 should be equal to 0. And log 6 of 1 is 0. So therefore 0 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 root of 6 is also correct answer. So therefore x is equal to negative 2 root of 6 and 2 root of 6. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.